Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this Mazda 3. It's the 2.2 diesel, and we've got this fault code here, so the P0401 EGR flow insufficient detected, so intermittent, should we say. It's common in the diesel world. My recommendation for this would be to replace it, but there are other alternatives. So this fault code, obviously you'll go into lit mode, is to be found here in this section. This is it, all this here. You can buy the whole lot online and replace it. It may be a bit of faffing around, maybe an hour or two's labour, maybe more, maybe less. But the other alternative would be to remap it and just blank the EGR. But this will come at a price probably around about maybe anything from between 150 to 250 if anyone remaps it. Or you can just replace the part, maybe the part you want to get new rather than used, because the used parts may be in the same condition. So you may be talking, I don't know, anything around the 100 to 200 mark, maybe more, maybe less, and then maybe labour's a few hundred depending on how many hours, but that's where you'd be with this.